Good morning student. I hope in previous video you have learned more about weather. Now today we will start our chapter from back, that on page number 20. Now here, what should Vijay carry on a rainy day? Draw them in the given space. Okay student, here draw the picture regarding rainy day. Now then 2.3, write the given situation and answer the question. What is the situation? Harsh family has planned a trip to Shimla. The weather forecast show that Shimla may experience snowfall in the coming week. Clear to all? This is the situation. And after that, read the question. List something that Harsh and his family should pack for the trip. List some things. You make the list here. What they carry with them, like woolen cloth, etc., etc. Now second question is, what do you think could happen if they don't keep the weather in mind while packing? Write 2 points and discuss in class. Now student, if you know the answer then write it here. Otherwise, leave this question. Okay. After that, we are go on page number 21. One map is here. 2.4. Study the weather forecast showing in figure 1. This is a figure 1 here, weather forecasting showing. Now it is divided into two parts, week A and week B. Now question is, which week is going to be a warmer? Week A or week B? And now student, select your answer, write your answer yourself. Which picture show the sunny day and which picture show the rainy day? Keep in mind and give the answer. Now after that, week A will be a dash week, sunny and rainy. Week B will be a dash week, sunny and rainy. Give your answer calmly. After that, we will start our chapter, move on chapter. Climate. What is climate? When the weather of a place remains almost the same year after year, it is known as climate. Climate क्या होता है? What is the climate? When the weather of a place remains almost the same year after year, it is known as the climate. Okay. Now student, our chapter is weather and season. Now what is season? A particular period in a year that has almost the same kind of weather, it is called the season. What is a season? A season is a part of a year that is distinguished by a special climate condition. We call it season. The 5 seasons are summer, spring, winter, autumn and rainy. Now Pep is here. Name your favorite season. What do you like the most about this season? Share your responses in class. So you write it here only. Name your favorite season. Okay, which season you like the most. So student, and now in your book it's a page number 22. Have you seen a top spin? Earth spins like a top tube on its axis. So beta, what is the axis means? Axis word means center line. What it means? It means the center line. That is tilted. Tilted means slant, lean, झुका हुआ. It is tilted. This spinning movement of earth is called rotation. Rotation of earth causes day and night. Now student, two motion of the earth. You are writing the second class. First is rotation and second is revolution. Now this time we are studying about the rotation. What is the rotation? Earth spins like a top tube on its axis. An imaginary line that is tilted. This spinning movement of Earth is called rotation. Rotation of Earth causes day and night. Now students, second motion is revolution. While rotating on its tilted axis. So student, axis means center line or tilt means slant or lean. So while rotating on its tilted axis, Earth also moves around the sun. This movement of Earth around the sun is called revolution. Clear? One part of Earth lean toward the sun. अर्थ का एक हिस्सा अर्थ सन की तरफ झुका होता है, while the other part leans away from the sun. वहीं पर जो दूसरा हिस्सा है सन का वो दूर होता है, because of the tilt, क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ झुकी है. So different part of earth receive different amount of sunlight and heat as it revolve around the sun. और यही रीजन है कि हमारे अर्थ पर अलग अलग तरीके के सीजन होते हैं. The part of earth leaning toward the sun gets more heat and experiences summer. अर्थ का वो हिस्सा जो सन की तरफ झुका होता है, हीट ऑब्जर्व करता है, वहां पर समर होता है. इन दीज पार्ट्स स्प्रिंग कम्स जस्ट बिफोर समर, और यहीं पर समर के तुरंत बाद जस्ट आफ्टर, जस्ट बिफोर स्प्रिंग आता है. व्हेन इट इज माइल्डली वार्म, समर स्प्रिंग जो है सीजन वो माइल्डली वार्म होता है. द पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ लीनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द सन एक्सपीरियंसेस विंटर. वहीं पर दूसरा पार्ट अर्थ का जो सन से दूर है वहां पर क्या होगा, विंटर. जस्ट बिफोर विंटर एज द टेम्परेचर कम्स डाउन. विंटर के बाद में टेम्परेचर कम्स डाउन होता है, इट स्टार्टेड टू बिकम कूल एंड दीज पार्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑटम, और यहाँ पर होता है ऑटम. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस टाइम वी ऑल स्टडी अबाउट द movement of the earth. First is rotation of earth causes day and night. Now second motion is revolution. By the revolution seasons are caused. So student, we are on page number 23. The seasons continue to change in a similar way. Now here it is a 2.6, the pack. Fill in the blanks using figure 2 as reference. First question is the part of earth facing the sun will be. वो हिस्सा अर्थ का जो सन को फेस करता है. It is hot or is it cold? Give the answer yourself. Don't discuss with your parents, student. The part of earth away from the sun will be dash, cold, hot. The 5 seasons, write the season's name here. Seasons are caused due to the dash of earth and dash around the sun. Seasons are caused due to the tilt of the earth and revolution around the sun. After that, write one feature that you and your friend like best about the given season. Okay? So, in first, write your friend name here, and I like summer because give the reason that my friend name, and I like monsoon because give the reason why you like the monsoon season. After that, again your friend name is here, and I like winter because give the reason for the different season. In first, write your friend name and give the reason why you like the summer. Second, write the name of your friend and why you like the monsoon season. Third, write the friend name and write why you like the winter season. So the student, in this chapter we all study about the weather and season, then season, 2 motion of the earth, rotation and revolution. Let's more about each season. summer season, autumn season, monsoon, winter and spring.